The Chernobyl disaster occurred in the village of Chernobyl on April 26, 1986. The event began as routine check of the electrical turbines and ended as one of the largest nuclear disasters in history. The check of reactor number 4 was supposed to take place on April 25, 1986 by professional operators. However, it was delayed due to the need of electricity in nearby towns. The first mistake the operators made was shutting off the emergency cooling systems. In doing this, it would be difficult to control the temperature of the reactor core without being powered on. The second and possibly the biggest mistake of the operators was the removal of 20 of the 30 safety rods from the core. This was done in order to raise the power in the core. However, too much steam began to build up and to set off emergency lights, which operators manning the controls did not take seriously. More radiation had been released in Chernobyl than of the bomb that was dropped on Hiroshima. Due to the intense flames, the Chernobyl fire station was ordered to the scene, even if it meant being exposed to high amounts of radiation. In all, more than 30 people lost their lives due to the huge doses of radiation received the morning of April 26th. Two days after the explosion, 1,100 buses from Kiev came to the surrounding towns, such as Pripyat, and began evacuating people to a safer environment. Then 6 days after the explosion, the village of Chernobyl was evacuated and an estimated 135,000 people were taken from their homes. The area where Chernobyl is located is still known as an exclusion zone. The plant's remains are still covered by a concrete and steel protector. It keeps radiation from leaking out. However, the radiation is still so toxic that the casing is starting to deteriorate.